Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today November 21, time 9:15 am. Market is opening as a gap down market and currently trading at 42,340 range. Previous day a buy call generated at the end of the market and it moved all the way up to the first target range and it given a good finish. Today after 1 minute of the market opening, market has downside a breakout. Due to its breakout in downside, a sell call has been triggered. So this chart intimated as a red color candle sell at 42,358. So you can easily understand due to the color of the candle. The trend is changed, new call generated, and red color, so it's a sell call. If it's a green color, it's a buy call. So anyone can understand, all can understand this chart very easily. Sell call, that 42,358 is the entry point and below red color line is the target line. First target range, that is more than a 105 point, 42,252 range. Second target is more than the double of the first target range and the above line is the stop loss line. Every day it will analyze the candle movement. Every 1 minute it will analyze the candle movement. According to that 1 minute candle breakout, the calls are generating in live market. Let's wait and see how this sell call works in live market. After 5 minutes of the sell call generator, the market was continuously in bearish momentum. Due to its bearish momentum, market came all the way downside up to the 42,250 range. Like this chart, every day it will analyze candlestick movement. Whenever breakout happen in live market, it will provide call in live market automatically. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.